In a sun-drenched garden, Mirha, a spirited 8-year-old, joyfully pursues Muhammad Hussein, her giggling 3-year-old brother. A vibrant tapestry of blooming flowers and fluttering butterflies sets the scene for their innocent game. Their laughter echoes through the air as they weave through the rose bushes, lost in the thrill of hide and seek. A gentle voice whispers, "Hello there, little friends," embracing the carefree spirit of their natural playground. In the tranquil garden, Mirha and Hussein's playful laughter fades into stunned silence. Their eyes dart around, desperately seeking the source of the mysterious voice that pierces the air. Their mother's serene presence by the flower beds and their father's quiet reading on the porch offer no clue. A gentle rustling draws their attention to the old mango tree, its leaves whispering secrets in the breeze. The mango tree speaks, its voice a warm, inviting welcome. "It is I, the mango tree. Welcome to my garden." Beneath the sprawling mango tree, Mirha and Hussein listen, their hearts open to the ancient wisdom it shares. The tree's voice, a soothing balm, weaves tales of playful children and life-giving rains. Mirha and Hussein pledged their devotion, promising to nurture the garden and shield their arboreal friend. The mango tree's leaves shimmer with delight, a gentle applause for its newfound companions.
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.